So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create a Zoom background here on VistaCreate. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up VistaCreate, either go to the website or the application. And first off, you have to go to the top left and press on the home screen. Now, if you wanted to search up a Zoom background, the simplest way to do that is actually go to where it says create any design and then search up Zoom right here. And then it'll say Zoom background under suggested format. So you can go ahead and press on that if you want. Or what else you can do is just go to the For You page right here, then slide this bar to the right and keep sliding until you come across an option that says Zoom background, which for me is right here. So 1920 by 1080 pixels. We'll go ahead and press on this. Now what this will do is actually create a new design with these same dimensions that are best suited towards a Zoom background. So for example, you can use a template here on the left hand side of your screen. So if you wanted your Zoom background to be look like that you're on at a beautiful resort or whatever, this can be your pool. And there you go. That's your background. Super straightforward. But yeah, this is how to create a Zoom background here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.